Hello student, today we are going to complete example of journal of Shubham. I have already sent you the amount of this example. First transaction, being start a business by stock rupees 10,000. Stock comes in, so stock account here 10,000. Cash comes in, cash account here 15,000. Furniture comes in business, furniture account here 5,000. Debtor are the receiver of goods, so debit to the receiver, debtor account here 10,000. And start a business, so to capital accounts here. So capital is not given, so you have to and sum of debit side and credit side is always same. So 40,000. The sum is 40,000, so capital is 40,000. Now, second transaction. Sold personal assets and introducing business rupees 50,000. So cash account here 50,000 to capital accounts here 50,000 being cash introduced in business. Friends, remember one thing. We are preparing journal in the book of Shubham. So only amount introduced in business is noted in the entry. Now, cash withdrawn from bank for personal use 1,000. So personal use, owner is receiver, debit to the receiver. So drawing account here and bank is giver. So bank account here rupees 1,000. Now, income tax refund receive 500. Income tax refund is always deposited in bank. So bank account here 500. 2. Income tax refund is a capital. It's personal income introduced in business, so it is come capital account here. Now, goods of rupees 1,000 and 400 rupees cash withdrawn from business. So drawing account here to cash goes out to cash accounts here 400 and goods goes out. And goods, which goods goes out? Which you have purchased. So purchase account CR 1,000. So total personal use, so drawing account here rupees 1,400. Now, daughter's expense rupees 1,500 given for to daughter. So daughter is personal expense. So drawing account here 1,500 to cash accounts here 1,500. Now, furniture of rupees 2,000 purchased from Ganga Furniture Mart for personal use. So personal use, so drawing account here 2,000 to Ganga Furniture because it is credit transaction. Cash is not given. So Ganga Furniture Mart is given. So drawing account here to Ganga Furniture Mart account here rupees 2,000. And last, check for LIC premium. LIC is always drawing. So drawing account here, bank is given, so bank account here 500. So this is the example of book which I have sent the amount. Now second example is for you. Prepare journal of Keshav. Sold goods of rupees 8,000 to Nita at 5% TD and 3% CD. Half amount received. So first calculation, goods of rupees 8,000, 5% trade discount, 5% is 400, so 7,600 is sales. half amount received, so 76 half amount is 3800, and 3% cash discount, 3800 into 3 by 100, so 114 rupees discount, cash discount. So 308,000 minus 114, 3686. Now journal, cash comes in rupees 3686. Discount, cash discount is always recorded in the book, 114. Half amount goods sold to Nita, so Nita account here, half amount 3,800, and to sales account CR 7600 sales. Now second transaction is goods of 5,000 purchased from Jay. So goods rupees 5,000, 10% TD, 5,000 into 10 by 100, 500. Trade discount not recorded in the book. So purchase is 4,500. So purchase account here 4,500. Half amount paid. So 4,500 by 2 is 2,250. So Jai is giver. So credit to the giver. The Jai account CR 2,250. And cash discount is 2%. So 2,250 into 2 by 100, 45 rupees discount. So cash account CR, cash goes out to 205, and discount account CR rupees 55 rupees. Friends, remember one thing: if cash debited or bank debited, discount debited. If cash or bank credited, discount credited. We will carry on tomorrow.